My name is Lara and I've lived in this van for over 2 years now. During this time, I've learned some things that I'm gonna share with you today. If it takes too many steps to get to something inside your van, you simply won't use it. Trust me, you won't. It will be there, taking up your space, but you will not be using it. Make sure everything is fairly easy to reach. Bottles and shakers over glasses and cups every day. I'm too ashamed to admit how many times I've knocked over a glass and flooded the van. If it doesn't have a lid, you don't want it in your van. Some things are just worth having in the van even though they use up space and power. For us, that's an espresso machine. We drink multiple coffees a day, so who wants to boil water every single time? We went to Tim Hortons a lot and we were also buying a lot of instant coffee, which is just not as great as an espresso. Now we drink perfect coffee every single time. I was really surprised how majority of people don't even notice the van. Sometimes I feel awkward parking in residential areas, parks, or like around kids' playgrounds, but I'm always surprised how no one even looks in the direction of van, let alone inside. So if your van is made in a stealthy way, trust me, no one knows you live inside. When we first moved into the van, I thought everyone could see me all the time. But now after 2 years, I don't even notice people anymore. I walk around in my underwear and then I have to get something from the front of the van and I realize, fuck, there's people outside. So since we live in the city, I have to keep reminding myself that people can actually see inside, so I shouldn't walk around in my underwear. The first thing you learn when you move into a van is how to properly use water and electricity. When you live in a house, you have everything available 24/7, and then you have to provide everything for yourself. It's hard. Over the past 2 years, we've learned how to shower properly so we don't run out of water too fast, and how to use electricity so we can have it for several days in a row. Now I can have a long shower and then I check the water tank and I've hardly made a dent, just because my showering habits have changed so much. So whenever I want to go crazy, I just do it at the gym. And now on to my last point of the day, which is not knowing where you park while you are inside the van. Like, how do you not know where you are? So for instance, sometimes we switch parking spots just before bed, and then when you wake up in the morning, for a split second, you don't remember where you are. And it's so much fun. So that's what I mean by not knowing where you are. You simply forget because you move around so much. This is it for me today. If you want a part 2, let me know because there's more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!